Hanoi's food was born in hidden alleys and lively streets. It's not just delicious, but carries history, culture, and soul. But why just taste the magic when you can make it yourself? Roll up your sleeves, cook like a local, and connect with Hanoi in a way that will leave your soul and belly full. Hi everyone, it's Anne from BestPrice Travel. In today's video, Erin and I are taking you on a half-day cooking class in Hanoi. Let's dive in and see how it went. We started with a visit to Ngọc Hà Market at 4 p.m. Ling, our guide, showed us where to pick up fresh ingredients for the menu today. The market was lively but calm, making it a relaxing experience. Ling also introduced us to some classic Vietnamese ingredients along the way.
So this one is our salad today. This one banana flour. Yeah, I think maybe Thailand they have. Yeah. This one, like when they grow up, and when they get bigger, you eat them. Exactly, the banana. So eat the baby banana. No. Yes.
After the market, we headed to Rose Kitchen, our cooking battlefield for the day. The menu was bún chả, fried spring rolls, and banana flour salad. Simple, right? Well, sort of. We kicked off with the salad. First up, slicing the banana flour super thin, like chef level thin. After that, we soaked it in salted water to keep it fresh and white. Next up, spring rolls, my second favorite part. We mixed eggs, ground pork, mushrooms, and glass noodles for the filling. Then added some spices. And then came the tricky part, rolling. It's either an art or a disaster, depending on your hand coordination.
So I would use water.
What did you add?
Vinegar.
Vinegar.
So I need to more crispy for the rice flavor. Later when we fry it, it's more crispy. And also I would use another layer. I will put on the bottom there, and also wet it. Okay. So I was. You have a spoon filling. I will put inside triangle. Remember that inside triangle. Okay. So from that you would roll it. Remember we need to roll tightly. Okay. Until the middle. Okay. So from that you use two fingers. You two presses like this, and you would fold it. So now you would fold it until the end, and also a bit water at the end to seal it. Okay?
Okay.
Easy, right? You can make it. Good guess that.
Next, we mixed the banana flour salad and marinated the meat for bún chả. What made the class amazing was Ling, the guide. She didn't just teach us to cook, she shared the stories, culture, and traditions behind the dish.
In January, will be 2 weeks later, at the end of January, we have the Lunar New Year based on lunar calendar. So in Vietnamese, we say Tết.
Tết.
Yeah, Tết. So we have a kind of like biggest holiday in Vietnam, and everybody, we have 9 days off for everybody, no working, no studying, so we come back home. So we would find something for let everybody involved cook together. It is spring roll. So because like actually my spring roll is not hard and it's really easy, but they need everybody can cook together. This will be make it like faster. If you make it alone, take a long time. Yeah. So when you cook together, you share the story. You also share what happened in your last year. Also, what you want to do in the next year, and to also get everybody closer. It family bonding. That's the meaning why we make spring roll. Yeah. So when I mention about spring roll, it's mean family. So now we are family. Okay. You are my brother and sister. You are my mom and dad.
Your prince.
Yes, you are my prince.
Then came the best part, frying the spring rolls and grilling the meat. We gathered around, chatting as the food sizzled and making the whole experience warm and lively.
I was very pleased and surprised about the location. It's wonderful here. And Lynn is a very nice person, and she knows very much how to cook. Although she's so young, that's not in Europe. Young people cannot cook, you know.
So, do you find it easier or more challenging than you thought this cooking class?
I think for me it's easy, but for my husband, he had problems with the
Yes, I
spring
saw.
rolls, you know, with the fingers. This is all too small.
Yes.
But it's at home the same. We can open the fridge and look what mommy has cooked.
Mm. Oh, and how was the market experience?
As I came from Thailand, so
Yes.
it's quite look similar.
Oh,
Yeah, I know a lot of vegetable and fruit, but cannot think of a word.
oh.
Yeah,
For example, like
jackfruit and
Jackfruit.
plum, and
yeah.
yeah, I know almost everything, but cannot think of a word in English. Oh,
It's very different because, you know, in Europe, they concentrate on selling one onion, one
Ah,
and you have 4 or 5 different, you know. And for us, most of the people buy the classic one, so the others are not sold, so nobody buys them to sell them. So everybody has the same, and here it's very varied. We have like rice. I think we have 3 sorts of rice in your community.
yeah.
Yes.
And just the observation from the husband, the non-cook,
Yes.
but we have a similar market hall at home. And if someone would enter this market hall with his motorbike, he would get killed immediately. But it is something which seems to be common in Vietnam.
Yes, it's actually
Yeah.
common.
To end the day, we all sat down to enjoy dinner together with our teacher and fellow classmates. And knowing we made it all ourselves, that made it even more meaningful.
One more time. Hi, ba, wow. Happy New Year, everyone. Okay, we take one first.
Hope you enjoyed this little journey with us. Would you try a cooking class in Hanoi? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures with Best Price Travel. See you!